Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make an easy origami fish. For that you will need one sketch pen and one sheet of paper. Now the paper that you use, try to use a little thicker paper. Any craft paper, origami paper is also okay. You have to make sure first and foremost that the sheet is square in shape. It can be a little bigger, a little smaller, no problem. But children, the paper has to be a square. So let's start making a fish. First you turn the paper like this and see this end. You try to bring this end till here. Like this. Match the ends. Make sure everything is matched like this. See? And then from here, go like this and fold it. After every fold in origami, make sure you make a nice crease. So, I'm using my nails to make the crease. Nice. Okay. Now, after this, I turn the page. Okay. Sorry, I turn the page. And now I take this end and bring it here. In the same way as we have done before. Again, I first make sure the alignment here is correct, and then holding this, I go towards it slowly, and make a crease. Again, tighten the crease by using your nails. Now children, see, we have made two creases which divides the square into a triangle. Now what we will do is we'll divide it into half using in a rectangle shape. So we have to bring this end to this end. Make sure the alignment is correct. And then from here, not from here, from here you have to press. And then we crease. Open it and now do it from the other side too. Crease. Now children, open this. Now can you see? These are the 4 creases that we have done. Now what we do is, we need a triangle shape. So what we do is, I pick this up. This line, I try to get in this line. Can you see? This line into this line. So I hold the paper like this. Try to bring this line here. And then I push the other line backwards. Okay, and then similarly, on this side, again you push this paper in the middle and push this one backwards. So here we have formed a nice triangle, right? Now this triangle should be having 1, 2, 3, 4 pleats. Now pick up the pleat which is above, not the one which is down, not like this. Pick only one, and you can see there is a line here from the crease. We have to push this leaf a little ahead of the middle line, a little ahead, not in the middle line. Yes, so this is done. Now repeat the process. Can you see this? Now repeat the process from this side. And here is your origami fish. You can use a sketch pen or a ball pen, anything, or a pencil, and make a nice eye of the fish and the mouth of the fish. So here is your origami fish. Easy, right children? So Take a sheet of paper and make this at home. Thank you.